All right, let's talk about this multiplication dominoes set. So it comes with 28 pieces. Here's the packaging. So you can see on the cover what the activity looks like. Nothing really on the sides or the top except for branding. And then it tells you how to play here on the back. Shows you more pieces. Okay, and it comes from Junior Learning. So let's open it up. It's always a great thing to have like multiple opportunities for students to practice multiplication, and when they get to practice in a fun way, it's even better. Okay, so it says for ages 7 and up. So they're usually learning multiplication in 3rd grade and learning how to compare like models and groups and arrays and equal groups and all of that. I see it like being stacked vertically. They don't really stack it like that in 3rd grade typically, but it's not the end of the world. It all depends on like the numbers that are involved. Okay, so it's all packaged like this. Let's take that out, put that back in. I've actually never had like my own package of dominoes, so I don't know if like regular dominoes come like this. I'm assuming they do, but I could be wrong. Okay, so once you open this, it's gonna come out in those pieces. And now I really like that this plastic's here so you don't hear all the clanging, clang, clang. Which, I mean, you're gonna hear it. Anyway, never mind. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. So, before I even get into it, I'm thinking a math center, I'm thinking morning work, like playtime, not playtime, but like before class is starting, like an activity students can work on independently or together. So, I should have put this, here, I'm going to turn this over so I can get the how to play part. So we have the how to play. It says place. Can you see that? Is it blurry? It might be a little bit blurry. I think that's better. Okay. Let's move these scissors out the way. So how to play, place dominoes face down. So I put them all face down. So it says place dominoes face down. Each player takes 7 dominoes. Okay. So this is what they do when they play real dominoes. Mix it all up. So if I was playing with someone, I would take my 7 dominoes. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so those are left. So then let's pretend someone took 7 as well. 2, 4, 6, 7. And then one player places a starting domino. So let's move the extra ones out the way. So here's the pretend player up here. So if I take mine, so turning mine over, I would hide mine from the other player. So this is what I have. Okay, one player places a starting domino. So let's start with 8. Each player takes a turn matching the end of a domino to form a chain. So just like regular domino. So let's see what this hand looks like up here. Alright, so this is the other player. Okay, this is my hand. You see that? That's the other player. This is the middle. And then this is my hand. So if I started with this, then the other person, so we have 8, and then we have 9 times 2, which is 18. So the direction says if a player can't place a domino, then they must pick up a square from the pile. So this one would pick it up here. Oh, look. Can you place it down now? The player to play all their dominoes first wins. I wonder if once you pick up, you can put it down. Then, let's see. I mean, it is what it is. So we have 18. Going back to the cover. Maybe I need to stack it like this. Okay, so I have 18 here, and 2 times 2 is 4, and then I have 8 over here. Can we stack these twice? Probably not. So, and then you can't do purple next to purple. It has to be a number next to a model. Okay, so I would have to pull. So I have 14 and 20. Okay, so then this person would go. They have 6 times 2, 10. Let's see. Oh, 2 times 4 is 8. So they could have went. I could have went. And then, so we have 50. I have 25 times 2, so I can match that up here. Okay, so then it's their turn. The other player's turn. So we have 12, and we have 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, we have 6, 16, we have 8, 12. Oh, there's 12. Okay, so then my turn. Got 14, 20, 10. So you have to really think about both sides, like in regular dominoes, but different representations of the number. So we have a model, an expression. We have a multiplication expression. Okay, we have 20, 1, 18. Again, I wonder, can I do this? Are you allowed to do that? I'm gonna do it. Okay, so somebody knows. Let me know in the comments if I'm not supposed to do that. All right, this side's turn. Okay, we have 8. There's 8 again. Okay, so we have a 50. We have a 9. To me, we have a 12. I don't think I'm supposed to do that, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, so we have 14, 20, 10, 30, 14, 20, 30, 1. Okay, I need to pull. I have 16 and 9. Oh, there's 9. So let's go this way so it doesn't go off screen anymore. Okay, let's pull this down. Okay, this side. So we have 110, 110, 6, 16, 20, and 6. Okay, so we're gonna pull. Join there, 10 and 15, so nothing. So I have 14, 10. We need 50. We need something that equals 16. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Actually, this one had 16. So let me put this here. Probably cheating, but get the gist of the game. 16 there. Turn this over. For me, I have 4 and I have 100, which I know there's 100 here. Okay, so nothing for 50, nothing for 4. So keep that. This side has 30, 6, 10, 10. So we have 6 here. We have 50. Nothing. So we're pulling here. We have 1 and 14. So nothing. I have 100, 4, 31, 14, 20. Same cards I had. Same pieces. Or dominoes, I guess you call them. Alright, so I'm going to pull 30 and 1. Nothing. Alright, this side. Nothing. So we're going to pull 20. So we have 6 and 20. So, which we had here. And I keep missing that. Why? See, gotta pay attention. Gotta pay attention. Here's the 6 and the 20. And then there's 10. Okay. So I have 14, 20. Oh, 20. Okay, this side, 14. So we have 6, 10, 10, 30, 14. What I really like about this, as I'm doing it, I know I'm playing for both sides, but like I'm thinking every single time about what the product is. So students are practicing that multiplication. They're thinking, okay, I have 30, I have 20, I have 14, 30. And it's both ways so that they're not having to do the computation every single time. Some of the time, it's the numbers is given to them. But other times, they're thinking about the product of those equations. And on most of these, they have models to support if necessary. Some of them don't, but most of them do. So I like that. All right. So once you know how to play the game, it probably goes smoother. But because I'm playing myself right now, it's more awkward. Okay, so we have 14. Anything equals 14. Yep, 2 times 7 is 14. So we're going to add that on here. Okay, and then we have 1 on my side. I have a 1. Let's move the other players' dominoes down. Okay, we're going to put the 1 here. It's left with the 30. So this side, we got 100, 10, 20, 6, 100, 10, 10, 30. Boom. Now we're moving. So 30. Okay, so leave that with the 10. They only have, this side has 3 dominoes left. This side, my side, has 4 dominoes left. Okay, we have a 50. We have a 10. So I have 100, 1, 30, 20, 14, 10, 34. So I have 10 on, again, can we do purple against purple? I don't see that on the box. So I might go to the website, juniorlearning.com, just to see if there's even more instruction. But, I mean, it's not on this part. So, anyways, let's pretend you can't do purple and purple. Let's see. So I have 10. And that's it. Okay. So back over here, we have 10 from an expression. Do we want, oh, both of these equal 100. So I'm going to match that up here. So this is 100. I have 50 times 2 here. That equals 100. Sorry that most of these are upside down. Okay, so back over here, we have 4. So nothing. So we have 5 times 2, that's 10. And 2 times 3, that's 10. I might move this over here so we can see better. Play player and me. Okay, so this side needs to pull. All right, so we have 9 and we have 3 times 4 equals 12. So down here we're at 4 and then we're at 50. So this side, 14, 20, 10, 30, 30, and 1. Nothing. I need to pull. We have 18 and 4. Okay. Oh, 4 goes here. All right, this side. So we have 18 and 50. Nothing equals 18. Nothing equals 50. We're going to pull a hand, pull a domino. We have 50. And we have 12. Okay, so we know 10 times 5 is 50. Put that there. All right, this side's turn. We got 12. We got 18. Nothing. All right, we got 6 and we got 16. This side. 10, 12. Boom. Can you still see it? Hopefully. Perfect. All right, so that leaves us with 9 and 18. Okay, this side. 16, 1, 36, 30, 10, 20, and 14. Nothing. Let's pull a domino. 1 and 14. This side, 100, 10, 20, and 6. We have 9 and 18. Nothing. Let's pull a domino. Back over here. 9 and 18. Nothing. Back over here. We have 16. We have 9. All right, let's go this way. Oh, let's go this way. Okay, we have 16 here. I forgot which turn it is, but that's okay. So, 14, 20, 10, 30, 1, 14, 30, 1, 6, and 16. Boom. Okay, this side. We got a 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, over here. 5 times 4 is 20. They're all coming together now. 110. Don't forget this 18 over here. Okay, last domino to pull. We have a 4 and we have a 100. And a 100 and a 10. So we have 14 and 18. So let's go back over here. Matches the 14 right there. 1 and 18 left. This side has a 4, 100, 110. Let's go back over here. We have a 1 and a 30. Okay, no 30 over here. 18 back over here. Yay, I won. So that would be 10, and this would finish it out. This side. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100, and then left with the 4. So that is the multiplication dominoes. I really like this. Great for multiplication fluency, making connections between models and equations, or models and expressions. So definitely pick this up for your 3rd graders after they've learned multiplication in class, as well as 4th graders who need to practice their multiplication, and even 5th graders or beyond who need to practice their multiplication and can do it in a fun way and challenging other people. Link is in the description.